Does it help if I sit like that? Okay. What is this? Walkie-talkie building? I forgot what the name is.
Hey guys, thank you for tuning in. Recently a friend of mine visited London, so I decided to show her around a little bit. I felt I captured some interesting stuff on this London tour, so I thought, hey, why not stitch a video together and show you guys it as well. Unfortunately, I do not have Mary's audio in this video, so just sit back, relax, and listen to me babble on.
We are going into Central. This is Westminster now. This is where they charge you to park a motorcycle. It's the only place in London they do that. Go on then. Just do not block my filter room. I will be unhappy. Good. Good. Good, 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 good. Good, 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 good. Thank you, sir. You got panniers. You are fucked. Oh, you want to change lane? I'll let you change lane. I'm not as bad as people say I am. Really. That exhaust. Oh! Don't do that. The bike will win. Or was that on zigzag lines? No, it wasn't. Because if it was on zigzag lines and that happened and I hit her, then I'm going to be in serious trouble. Whereas it's not zigzags. I could still sort of get in trouble. They've got to look at the circumstances, but not as much. I live on the edge, girl. Time to slow down and stop. Hello, he's got the same bike. A Honda NC owners meet on the road. This is the S, yeah. The X is ugly. The X is that sport tourer thing with all the plastic. No, I don't. No, don't do it, buddy. Oh, he's not going to the petrol station. Alright, okay. I've got good news. We're probably going to get there alive. Yeah, the X model is the sports touring thing, and I like the whole naked thing where you can see the engine. What's wrong? You laughed at naked. What's funny? You that immature? Thinking about pineapple shaped buildings over to our right. SpongeBob. Come on. Oh, look at it. He's cock blocking! See, if he just moved over to the right a little bit, shit would be good for every biker here. Line dot electric shock. Alright, we're almost there. See that? It was action packed. It was only 2 miles, but holy crap. We saw everything. This is... If I lived where you lived, I would get... Why is the cyclist doing that? Yeah. Devilish shit. Okay, this is our turn.
1 hour later.
The map doesn't know what it's doing. After you, sir. Doesn't know what it's doing. That's a left. That's definitely a left. I'm not in a mood to let ambulances past. I'm joking. It really aggravates me when cars don't make an effort. It's like, motherfucker, you don't know if that's for one of your family members right now. Big pram dog coming through. Oh look, this is the awesome thing about London. We got bus lanes we can use. Look at this, it's just empty space. It's free for me. I get so many comments like, You're a dickhead because you're in the bus lane. It's like, fucker, you don't know the road rules. Don't try calling me out. So that, I mean, like, even on the motorcycle test, you're encouraged to make, to advance in traffic. So yeah, no, I get that hate comment a lot. Oh, is this just turned into one lane? It has, isn't it? Fuck my life. Absolutely no indication that that was going to happen. Everyone was just confused, like, what would we do here? Yeah, it's just going to go bad. There's a lot of madness happening here. Yeah, we're going to have fun. We're going to have a lovely time. I am going to get shouty if someone fucks up. What was he doing? No, he was waving me forward though. The hand motion was like, go on, go on, go on, go on. I'm tagging that. Review it later. Try to work out, was there something I didn't see?
So, upon reviewing the footage, look at this. He waves me forward, and then suddenly, nope, I'm going that way. Motherfucker.
Ooh, okay, it's police. Police, and I have a dodgy number plate. We're running if they come after me. Just hang on tight. Oh, there's more police up ahead. I'm running the gauntlet here. It's like that policeman behind me was like, nah, he's an idiot, let him go. And now I've got to go through this next one, and they might not feel the same way. They'll probably be like, I'm down on my quota, or I've got to pull him over. I'm down on that arrest quota. Let's fuck him up. Let's fuck up this guy's day. That's a pretty high curve. I don't think I'll try that. Oh, thank you, Nugget Scooter. Dodgy as fuck. Whoa, what is this guy doing? He's like left and right. Maybe he's like moving over for the other bike, and he's sort of confused. He sees two bikes on each side. He's just like waving around. He's like, that one's closer. No, the other one's closer now. Okay, hop off when you're ready. You can keep your helmet on because it actually works as a scarf. Like I have no shame in walking down the street with my helmet on if it keeps me warm. I'm gonna move for this woman. I'm alright. I'm alright. We're bound to find a coffee shop, but this is although this road is a bit of a shithole, you have to agree.